What is going on, everybody? It's Neil again with another Eclipse update. I know it's been a really long time since I've done one of these, and shame on me, but you know, life happens. We have some good news and some not so good news. The not so good news, it's 38 freaking degrees. Yeah, look, if you live anywhere north of like Arkansas, you're gonna say, oh, that's not cold. Dude, in Louisiana, that's cold. That's really cold. I don't like it. I don't function well in cold. That's why I'm all hoodied up and stuff. Let's talk about the car. I got a lot done today. I've been working on it for the past couple of hours, and let's see, let's get a light going. This cold is killing all of my batteries. Okay, let's flip you guys around here. Now, if you can see here, we actually have got the head off. Focus, dang it. Okay, we got the head off. It's sitting right over there. We'll look at that in just a minute. All right, I was kind of worried about what I would find when I took the head off. But in all honesty, everything looks okay. Part of the problem that we were having with the head gasket, I think, was just because it's blown. I mean, it's just metal on metal right there, if you can see. So that's definitely going to have to be replaced. And with that being said, we are going to go ahead, and this is the first time I'm talking about it on camera, I think. We're going to go ahead and pull the whole motor out, block and everything. Probably going to replace the starter, replace all the freeze plugs, replace everything that I can with it out before we put it back in, just because that's going to make life so much easier in the long run. It might blow my chances of being in Grassroots Motorsports 2018 Challenge, but I'll have a good, reliable, usable high school dream car. Okay, now, before my battery dies on camera, because this cold is doing weird things to my batteries, let's look at the head. This is the head as it sits now. Focus. This is the head. Everything looks alright. It's all pretty good. I'm definitely going to take it to someone who knows more what they're looking at than I do, and probably get it machined, because it is an aluminum head, so the chances of warpage are high. Oh, my battery's about to die on my camera. And then once I get the block out and everything, we're gonna be able to look at more in here, replace a lot more stuff, see what needs to be done, because once again, this car has been sitting in a barn for 10 years. I actually had to get up under there, and there's not a lot of rust. I actually didn't see any, so fingers crossed we got lucky there. Really, I'm excited, because this means that once I get the head and everything checked, once I get the block pulled and replace stuff, and it's just gonna be replacing parts, I'm gonna have like an almost new 26-year-old DSM. I'm excited that something happened, because honestly, for the last couple of months, nothing has been happening with it, and it's been like driving me nuts. So yeah, look forward to an engine pulling video soon. We've already got our impromptu, set up to pull it ready. And I'm super excited, guys. It's making it less cold. Just to address a couple of things, I'm really loving all the comments, guys. All you DSM enthusiasts, you guys are really keeping me going with this. You guys, have been sending me stuff and been sort of cheering me on as I do this. Thank you, because especially with a project car, you need the occasional touch of positivity. And man, there's so much I want to talk about, but my battery's about to die and I want to rush it out. If you guys have any suggestion about some other stuff to change while I have the engine out, this is my first time pulling an engine ever, and I'm kind of excited about it. So any suggestions from really any mechanical inclined person, or someone who's done this on their DSM or their project car, what should I replace while I have the engine out? What else should I do? What should I look for? What should I replace? Because while I still would love to do the Grassroots Motorsports Challenge, I think I'm not gonna make it. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna have to spend too much on parts. But once I get it done, this thing will be like fresh. Yeah, leave me some comments. What should I replace? What should I check? What should I do while I pull the motor? Hopefully the next video you see with this will be talking about pulling the motor and checking everything out. So I could ramble on all day, and I think I'm doing that. So look, I'm gonna pack up all my tools and stuff, and once again, thank you guys for the support. Thank you guys for cheering me on, and thanks for believing that someone with very little mechanical inclination can actually do this stuff, because it's happening. Anyway, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you again soon. Peace.